Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
I cannot help bypass security or remove fingerprints from someone else's device. This includes instructions to defeat app locks or authentication methods, providing that information would enable wrongdoing, and I must refuse. Instead, I will describe lawful options for the verified device owner to manage biometric data. Follow manufacturer guidance or official account recovery when you are the owner. If you need official steps, contact support or use approved procedures described next. If you are the device owner, remove fingerprints via settings under Security or Biometrics. Open the Biometric menu to delete stored fingerprints one by one if you can access that menu. Disable or uninstall the Hide app through the normal app settings when you can unlock the phone. Backup important data to cloud or computer before making major changes to the device. If you cannot access these menus, seek manufacturer support or authorized service for guided, secure help. If you lack access, contact the device manufacturer or carrier for verified support. Prepare proof of ownership like receipts, account credentials, or a registered ID before contacting support. Manufacturer or carrier agents will guide you through approved recovery or account verification steps. Do not use or request bypass tools or third-party unlock services that claim to remove authentication. Take the device to an authorized service center for secure, legal assistance when needed.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.